Creating effective target marketing is difficult when you do not have enough information on your prospects. Gathering detailed equipment profiles in EDA and importing the information into Handle is a powerful strategy in creating effective and cost-efficient target marketing. This video will discuss best practices for how to maximize Handle's partnership with EDA. Understanding your area of responsibility, including your market share, is the first step. The dashboard in EDA gives you a general view of your AOR. For example, here you see the top 10 transactions in the area. This gives you an idea of which buyers, customers and prospects, are buying or leasing equipment right now. You can also see the top brands and their market share over the previous 12-month period. Finally, the milestone watch helps you track activity that's important to you, like new purchases by certain buyers or transactions from competing dealers. The individual buyer profiles in EDA contain a lot of information you'll find useful in planning how you approach customers and prospects. Starting from the buyer overview, you can see the business entity's contact information, credit risk, estimated annual sales, and a general breakdown of their equipment. The profile breaks down the brands, equipment types, and lenders who finance the equipment. For an even more detailed equipment summary, click on the Equipment tab. Here are some ways of how you can maximize the EDA data. For existing and potential customers in your AOR, this information, once imported into Handle for classification and distribution, can be helpful in determining who should be approached right away and who can be put on a general leads list. For example, if you are only looking to target large buyers, you can use the annual sales information to classify hot prospects. You can also use the equipment breakdown to find prospects who own a lot of your brand or who own mostly a different brand. In either case, you will know exactly how to start the sales conversation with them or how to plan targeted marketing campaigns. Now that you understand what equipment the buyer owns, you can take a look at the condition of the equipment and how they financed it. Here you can see the date of the transaction, whether the equipment is new or used, the model, the style, serial number, whether the equipment was sold or leased, and which institution financed the transaction. For example, if you understand that a buyer almost exclusively buys rather than leases, or buys used rather than new equipment, you can target your marketing based on their behavioral history. This is a huge opportunity to save valuable marketing dollars by not sending ads for new equipment to someone who only buys used. For verification and cold calling purposes, the Contacts tab provides whatever information is available on the members of the buyer's organization who are active in the purchase or leasing of equipment. This can give you insight into whether there are multiple business entities or multiple financially responsible parties. The convenient maps in EDA will help you visualize as well as locate the buyers and their operations. AOR maps in EDA are a useful and convenient way to research your area of responsibility. In areas with many buyers, you will see them grouped. Simply zoom in to discover individual locations. AOR, as well as nationwide market share, can also be visualized in a table view. This is helpful when you need to determine what information you want to import into Handle for broader market analysis. When you use Handle to combine the highly detailed equipment profiles from EDA with data from your ERP and other external software like John Deere applications, you'll find your sales calls will be more effective and your marketing planning more targeted and therefore cost efficient. These are all part of the suite of solutions Handle provides you so that you may better profitably scale your business.